All of you, please listen. Join fast. Good morning, children. The example 5 determine the AP whose third term is 5 and seventh term is 9. Look, third term is given. Let me share the screen. How many came? Only 15. Join fast, dear children. Oh, wait, 2. Here you have to find out the AP whose third term is 5 and seventh term is 9. 2 APs are there. No, 1 AP is there. 2 things are given. First, third term, we have the ready-made formula with us. N is equal to, what the formula tell me?
A plus n minus 1 into d.
A plus n minus 1 into d. Okay. A plus n minus 1 into d. Be careful about the bracket. You have to put the bracket. So that equation we can apply. Third term is given. A3. Third term is A3. A we don't know. But third term is, this is 3 minus 1. A3. N is 3. 3 minus 1 into D is not given. We had to find out A and D. So we got one equation here. That means A plus 2D this one.
Sir,
A plus 2D. Yes.
that is saying third term is 5 notes. So
Okay. So we got equation. Third term is 5. That means that is what I wanted. Third term is 5. So I can say this is 5. That means A plus 2D. A3 is 5 is given. Third term is 5. So 5 is equal to, first equation we got A plus 2D, that is equal to 5. This is the first equation. Now we need one more equation because A and D we have to find out. We study linear equation, pair of linear equation in 2 variables. So one more equation is given there. 5 and the 7 term. So A7 is equal to, tell me the formula, A plus
n minus 1 into d.
That means 7 minus 1 into d. Am I right or not?
Yes. Yes.
7 minus 1 into d. That means we can say that is A plus 6d. A7 is given. What is A7?
9.
9. So we can say that is 9. 2 equations we got now. Because A7, that is 9. A5, that is, no, sorry, A3, that is 5. We know the equation A plus n minus 1 into d. In exam, no need of writing A plus n minus 1 into d yet, right after the 3 minus 1, no need, because you know 3 minus 1 is 2, directly you can do. A plus 2d is equal to 5, A plus 6d is equal to 9. Suppose it is 10th term, A plus 9d, we got 10 minus 1. Now we can solve this one. Solution of equation. We got one pair of linear equation in 2 variables. Sorry, pair of linear equation in 2 variables. Up to here, you understood?
Yes, sir.
Then where is the confusion?
No, sir. This was forming the.
Okay, forming the equation. Other we can solve the equation we are getting. That good question. Example 5. All of you, please, if you are not following, ask me. Like this question is in the exercise also. Last part of this we don't want. That means I will tell you in exercise many questions are there. No, this we need to India. Next exercise one. Here one interesting factor is there. Many alternative methods, something like that. Dear children, you go through the example or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay, example, you must be very careful. You have to study. Then only we can do exercise. How many two-digit numbers are divisible by 3? Example 7 is there. Many questions. How many two-digit numbers are divisible by 3? Or divisible by 2? Or multiple of 7? Or multiple of 3? Like that. You check it or not. How many two-digit numbers are divisible by 3? Seventh question.
Yes.
So, two-digit numbers, I think it is not infinite, finite now.
Yes.
It must be a two-digit number. So, many times I told you there are 10 digits in math. After that, two-digit number, three-digit number, 99, two-digit number. After that, 999, three-digit number, like that going on. Many numbers are there, but only 9 digits. Numbers are formed by these digits. No, not 9 digits. How many digits? 10 digits. Am I right or not? There are only 10 digits in math. Do you agree?
Yes.
Many numbers are there. Now, two-digit number. How many two-digit number? Divisible by 3. Sir, 10 is a two-digit number. Why are you not writing this one?
8 is not divisible by 3.
11, no, sir, 12. Then after that, we have to see which is the maximum. After 12, 15, it is going on like this, it is going on. 100. 100 is divisible, no?
But 100 is 3-digit number.
3-digit number. So your mind must be with this math. Not only the body, mind and spirit, everything must be there. Very easy you can do. So 99. Okay. So we got the first term. We got the D. A is 12. D is, what is D here?
3.
3. A is 12. Now, how many two-digit numbers are divisible by 3? A is 12. So here, how many? So what to do? We got 99. Last step, I can say. This is, I told you it is finite, ending. How can we do? How many two-digit number? Till now, the question, find the 10th term, 7th term. See, understand the difference? Here, how many divisible? Can I count like this, write like this? It will take time. You can do, but it will consume 1 hour. 12, 15, like that. How many are there? So the method is, I think 99 is given there. What is 99 there? Here. A1 is 2, 12, A2, A3. What is 99?
Last two.
Yeah, that means AN. Your nth term is 99. Last term. Be careful. It is good. Last term plus first term divided by one formula is there. 1 7th class boy, John's. Sum of the nth term, sum of the terms, we will come to that. But here, consider this N is equal to 99. Another formula, A plus N minus 1 into D, that is equal to 99. A we know, A is 12. Tell me, my children, what is N here?
No, N itself.
And we don't know, we had to find out. That is our question. N is equal to how? So put N minus 1 into D, that is equal to
But
99.
D 3, no.
Yes, D is given. Good, good. D is given. D is how much? 3 into 3. That is 99. 12 into N minus 1 into 3, 99. I think it is correct. It is there. Okay. Now we can make the equation. This is an equation. You can apply with the equation. N minus 3 divided by 3 everywhere. Divide by 3. Make it short. Divide by 3. No need of carrying. Divide by 3. Divide by 3. 12 we can write 12 divided by 3. What is that? 4. 4 plus n minus 1. That is equal to 33. Divide by 3. Simplify it. It is divisible by 3. So you got the answer now. N minus 1. That is why I told you play with the equation. N minus 1 is equal to, make the subject of the formula that n minus 1. What is n minus 1? Or we can see, sir, 4 minus 1 is the no need of n minus 1. No bracket is the, yes, that is it. No need of carrying, no need of doing like this. Do you agree 4 plus n minus 1 is equal to 33?
No.
You don't agree. Why not?
Yes, sir. Equation, sir.
It is an equation. No?
Yes.
Now n I need 4 minus 1. That is 3.
Sir, why can't we take 4 to the other side, transposing?
We can transpose, both you can transpose. Any method you can do. You can transpose here 1 also. Though. We can transpose. What I am doing here n. N, what is 4 minus 1?
3.
3. That is equal to 33. Now we know very clearly n is equal to 30. Yes, n is equal to 30. And dividing, and minus already the bracket is open because nobody is there. 3 out, 3 we divide into 1. So 4 and n minus 1, you know that is 3. N is equal to 33. And plus 3 is equal to 33. So n is equal to, same thing, n is equal to 33 minus 3, that is 30th term. And answer is correct. They are dividing, no problem. We can transpose, we can divide, we can open the bracket, doesn't matter. What I am doing, I don't want to open the bracket. My mind is telling, sir, this is divisible 12, all divisible. Always play with the equation. I'm telling, not doing. You can play like a puzzle. It will increase your equation, algebra. Do it. Many methods, not textbook method. Your own method you can find out. And you decide which is easy method. Anyway, we got the answer. N is equal to 30. Textbook answer also correct.
Yes, sir.
Then there is that question, alternative solution, that method we are doing. So one question is the find the 11th term of the last term toward the first term. Example 8, all of you please. Example 8. Naksha, read the example 8.
Yes, sir.
Read
Find,
it.
find the 11th term from the last term towards the first term of the AP 10, 7, 4, etc. minus 62.
What is the difference of this question and before like this? I think it is a different question. Do you agree? Find the 11th term from the last term. Sir, last term. Till now you told find the 11th term from the first term. Sometimes you told, sir, there is no last term. There are multiple of 5. Which is the last term? We don't know the last term. God knows. Infinite. So here, okay, last term is here. But the question is ulta. Reverse. Find the 11th term from the last term toward the first term of the AP. First, identify the difference of this question. Muhammad Asif, we understood the difference. Nihal, oh, you are the Nihal, you understood the difference of the question? What is the difference now?
3 minus
Tell
3.
me. Your sound is not clear. Loudly tell.
Minus 3.
Which one?
Minus 3.
No, minus 3, okay.
Minus.
Minus 3 we found before. There is one method, see, you can see, find the 11th term from the last term. So, there are also alternate method they're telling you. You can use that method, that is easy. Which is the last one here, tell me. Which is the last term here?
Minus 62.
Where is Nafi? He's from Cheruvadi. Nafi, where are you? Nafi? Not there.
Yes, sir.
Why your video is off always? Keep the videos on, I told you. Tell me which is the last term.
Minus 62.
62.
Okay. Now I can write the AP. Listen here what I am doing. Minus 62. This I don't know. It is going on. Then after that, 4, 7, 10. What we need? We need the first term. What we need? We need the D. I change the question. Revise only. Because the question, find the 11th term from the last term. That means minus 62. Then we know this is okay. D is we know. D is given here. It is coming like this. Internet connection is unstable. Okay. Can you hear me what I am telling? Dear children, can you hear me? Hello? Hello, children?
Sir.
Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Because
sir.
here one message came that my internet is unstable. That's why I'm asking. If not hearing, please tell me. Okay. Here we know 10 minus 7. What is 10 minus 7? What is 10 minus 7? 3. 7 minus 4? 3. 4 plus 3, 7. 7 plus 3, 10. Now 62, if you want, you can write the next term. What is minus 62 plus 3? What will be here? If you want, you can write. Minus 62 plus 3.
Minus 59.
Minus 59. Minus 59. Minus 59 plus 3.
Minus 50.
Minus 50. Minus 50. It is going on. No need. I am explaining only. Here we know D is 3. First term is minus 62. And D is 3. Don't take minus 3 because I change. My first term is minus 62. I change the question. Find the 11th term from the first term from here. Find the 11th term. Minus 62. This is the AP. Instead of minus 62 from here 11th term. I know minus 62. First the question is like that only. It was the question 10. Then 7. Going on. Here, minus 62. Minus 62, we know before that minus 59, before that minus 56. So from here you are coming reverse, you are coming from here 11th term from the last. What I did last, I wrote first, minus 62. Then first term is the last one, 10. 4, 7, 10, 13. It is going like that, but only the first term is, the last term is 10 here. Now it is normal. I can do a plus n minus 1 into d. Find the 11th term. A11 is equal to a plus 10d. 11 minus d. That means a is with me minus 62 plus 10 into d. 30. We got the answer. Minus 62 plus 30. Minus 62 plus 30. That is, I think, minus 32. Now all of you check the answer. Is it correct or not? Yes, exactly. Two methods they are telling. Don't follow the first method. Second method, alternative method. If we write the given AP in the reverse order, A is equal to minus 62, D is equal to 3. Why they're asking? You know the answer now. Why the D is 3 now? You told me D is minus 3 now. Listen here. This is only trap. One question, one or two question. Textbook question is there, exercise question also. Many time I saw like this question in the past papers. Rana, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Okay, why it is that? D you told me minus 3, sir is to 3. Why? What is the difference? Yes. Who started? One boy started now. Tell me the answer. Why is it? Aman, I think. Aman, tell me the answer.
It's because we want to find it from last term towards the first term.
Yes. This is the question. Here, of course, 7 minus 10, that is minus 3, sir. What we did? We took the last term first, because from the last term we need. Normal, we can proceed normal, no change. From here, second term minus first term. We can see here 10 minus 7 is 3. Here 10 minus 7, no, 7 minus 10 is 3. Answer will be same. See, F plus, this easy method, I am talking about easy method, alternative method. We got the answer 32. Now please check the alternative method. First method you can check. If it is easy for you, you can follow, but I don't think. If we write the AP in the reverse order, A is minus 62 and D is 3. Why means we reverse. The question now become finding the 11th term with this A and D. As before, as usual practice, find the 11th term. Formulas with me. A plus n minus 1 into D, but A11 is equal to A plus n minus 1 into the same formula. Minus 62 plus 10D. 11 minus 1 is 10D. Okay, minus 32. 2 sentences before the 3 or 4 sentences we need. I think you understood this alternative method. If you understood, please tell me yes, otherwise I will explain again.
Sir, last the first leg alla ponde.
Yes, last to first.
So we should take A is equal to 10 and D is equal to minus 3 alle.
No. That is, if you are taking that, this is our question AP. This I change. Forget this one now. What is the first term? This minus 60.
Minus 62.
Minus 59. First term I made last term. Reverse, ulta I told you. Like assembly the small to big. Then going to the school, to the class. See, ulta, reverse, about 10. That is why we did. It was here minus 62. I made minus 62 first term. Because the question is, till now the question we saw find the 10th term, find the 11th term, or find the 21st term. That is from the first term only. But here the question they give from the last term. So last term will be first term. See here, this is the first term, second term like that only, first term. Why I did? Because I don't want a change my procedure. My common sense is telling last term, from last term. Count from the last boy. Here, from the first boy. What I did? Last boy, I changed the order. That is all. Think about. Now here first term is minus 62, not this one. This I changed. We need the first term and D only, no other. Nothing is needed here. What we need? First term. Who is the first term? D. If you are doing like this also, we are getting 10. Okay, you can do 10. But D, what is D here? Tell me. If you are doing first method, 10, 7, It is decreasing order. Tell me what is the D here?
-3.
-3. Here, what is the D?
3.
Plus 3. Because I wrote reverse order. You know this AP is decreasing. -62 like that is going on. 10, 7, then after that 7 minus 3, that is 4, minus 1, 2, like that is going on like that. You understood or not?
Yes, sir.
Only the thing, first term and last term. We don't want the last term. We want the first term of an AP. So we can manipulate. That is why two methods are given. You decide which is the best method. What I am telling, second method, alternative method, better follow that. Two methods are there. So take the alternative method, other you can cross if you want. There is only one question. Last question like that we can see in the exercise also. Okay. If you understood that, please come to the exercise. Exercise page number 106. Page 106. Any queries you can ask me. Don't wait. I will forget. 106, second question. Choose the correct choice in the following and justify. 30th term of AP. How can you find out? Page number 106, you saw the question?
Yes, sir.
First is easy, second I am trying. Second one. You can simply apply the formula only that. You can see, that is homework. Second question, first B. 11th term of AP. You had to find out 11th term of AP. AP is given. All of you please do this one. -3 minus half. 2. Multiple choice is given. You had to decide. By looking, you cannot understand. You had to do this one. Tell me which is the last term here. In this AP, which is the last term? Husna? Husna, where are you? All are silent. Hasna? Hasna, where are you? You are not there. Absent. Hasna? What happened, Hasna? Shada? Boys and girls, what happened to you? Are you sleeping?
No, sir.
Why? Why are not responding? Only 5, 6 are responding. Others are not responding. You are not following this easy chapter?
Yes,
Shada
sir.
and Asna. Shada, Asna, Aisha, Diya, all are silent. Nothing. No response.
Yes,
Then, what is wrong with you? You are not comfortable? Open the video if you are comfortable. Tell me which is the last term here. Pasal, tell me which is the last term. You are also off the video. On the video, my dear child. Tell me which is the last term here. -3, minus half, 2. Which is the last term?
10.
Which is the first term?
10.
No, 10 is not the last term.
Sorry, -3. -3.
-3 is the first term. Last term we don't want. We need A and we need D. We don't want last term. So it is not last term is here. Nobody, I cannot say. It is going on. Endless.
Sir, 22.
My question is last term, not that. Not 11th term.
Term 2 kurtiyalla.
Here, no last term. First term is -3. I know the question is not last term. They're asking 11th term. But my question is, which is the last term? There is no last term, sir. We cannot say the last term. First term is there -3 and D is there. Now, again I asking Hasna, where are you? What is D here? I need the D. Can you? Oh God, all of you please.
Sir, she commented in chat box that her mic is not working.
What happens? I cannot see her also. Asna, Rana, Fazal, Shahad, Shahad. Okay. Now tell me D. Nafia, tell me what is D. Nafi.
22.
Are you hearing my voice? Can you hear me? Any problem?
Yes, sir.
My question is not 11th term. What is D? What is D? Okay, anybody please, what is D here?
2.5.
Okay, there's no confusion. Avoid the confusion. That is why I gave this question. A2 minus A1. A2, that is minus half. A1, that is -3. So we have to find out D. So D is equal to A2 minus A1, that is minus half minus 3. All of you do this one. D is A2 minus A1, minus half minus of minus 3. That means we know this minus half plus 3. That exactly what you told. This is 2.5. Minus half plus 3, that is 2.5. All of you do this one and find out. All of you understood D?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now do. A11, we had to do A11 is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. That means A is -3, A plus N minus 1 into D. A is -3 plus -3 plus 2.5 D. -3 plus 2.5 D.
Sir, D is
Sir,
equal to
-3 plus 11 minus 1.
Okay, 11 is correct. What happened? 10, 11, that means 10D. 10 into 2.5. Sometimes you can do like this 2.5 because 10 is there. That means 25 minus 3. Minus 3 plus 10 into 2.5 means 25. That is 22. 22, the answer is there. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Again, integers confusion, decimal confusion, that is the problem. I told you, revisit the integers, revisit the decimals, and ask me any problems, any confusion. Basic ideas, don't confuse. Now next question. Third question is very interesting, third one. You completed?
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Third question, you can see many boxes for X and Y like that. Many boxes you can see. Third question. Question 3. First bit. 2. Next is X. Next is 26. Or box. In the following, I find the missing term in the boxes. That means I put X. Or here the term. They are put in the boxes. One box, two box, like that. Okay. Middleman you had to find out. Whenever, suppose this is 5, 7, 9. It is a series AP. 5 plus 2, 7. 7 plus 2, 9. There's a method is there. Middleman, if you want middleman like average only. 5 plus 9, 14 by 2. You are getting 7. 3 terms are there. We can add both. 26 plus 2 by 2. That means it will be 14. Middleman, if 3 terms are there. Because you know, we studied S minus 2, D. I am talking about A1, A2, A3. This is A1, you are A2, you are A3. A2 minus A1. What is A2 minus A1?
D.
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 What is A3 minus A2?
D.
2D.
D. So I can say A2 minus A1 is equal to A3 minus A2. Here, instead of that, I can write S minus 2. Explaining only. S minus 2. That is equal to 26 minus X. Because S minus 2 is the D. 26 minus X is the D. Same thing. Now it is a linear equation. Transpose. So from here, please solve this one. You will get the answer for X. S minus 2 is equal to 26 minus X. Now solve, find out X from here. You will see the method. You understood S minus 2, that is D. This is also D. Now what I need? X I need. What is X here? Did the one tell me what is X here? Transpose only.
14.
Is it transport
Transpose only, nothing.
for 26 plus 2?
Yes, this minus S and transpose in here, 2x. X plus X. Then this minus 2 I am transpose in this one. 2x is equal to 28. So X is equal to 28 by 2, that is 40. We are getting X is equal to 40. Look here. What I told, 2 plus 26 by 2. When an AP3 middleman we can find out like average. Add the A1 and A3 and divide by 2. That is one technique. So from here, no need of doing like this, simply you can write 26, all of you write 26 plus 2 by 2. That will do. Here we can write 26 plus 2 by 2. That means 14. 14 is the answer. This is another one. Not like that. 7. I give you another example. You understood the method?
Yes, sir.
Because
Yes,
D, we are doing algebra. Everywhere we are playing with algebra. I told you algebra, be careful, good friend. Like a puzzles, we can do. We can make calculations. Okay, time is running, I think. Who is absent today? $27. Okay. Now, in the following AP, find the second one. What is the x and 13 plus s1 and 3? Two boxes are there. 2 more minutes are there. Second bit. Box is there. Then 13. Then box is there. Then 3. Any idea? Yes.
X and Y.
Okay, x and y. Can you find out x now?
Y is 8.
Y is exactly y. We are finding y 16 by 2. That is your 8. 8 you got means 8 minus 13. D you got 8 minus 13. 5. 13 minus 5 you are getting x. Am I right? 8 you got. From here you got D. D is equal to 8 minus 13. 8 minus 13 or 3 minus 8. What is 8 minus 13? Minus. Tell me what is 8 minus 13?
Minus 5.
Minus 5. So x. Here 13 minus 5. That is 18. Like this you had to do. Now that boxes, please complete that homework. That is homework. Many boxes, the x, y, like that, whatever be that. 1, tell me 1,
Present, sir.
2, 2. Is 2. Amin is absent.
Yes, sir.
Where are you? 3,
Present, sir.
4,
Present, sir.
5,
Present, sir.
6,
Present, sir.
7, 8,
Present, sir.
9,
Present, sir.
10,
Present, sir.
11,
Present, sir.
12, 13,
Present, sir.
14,
Present, sir.
15,
Present, sir.
16,
Present, sir.
17,
Present, sir.
18, 19,
Present, sir.
20,
Present, sir.
21,
Present, sir.
22,
Present, sir.
23,
Present, sir.
24, 24, Rida, 24,
Present, sir.
25,
Present,
26, Anna guys?
Present, sir.
Okay. I think today after this class, you don't have any other class. Any other class is there now?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
okay then bye. Take care.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir.
Welcome.
Thank you, sir.